Where's yours? Martha, where are the crackers? Where are the crackers? Huh? Oh. Your basket's in there, Martha. Let's get your basket. Here, come on. Let's get your basket. Look, 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 look.
Oh yeah, the crackers. We know crackers are number one. But we had a whole bunch of those last weekend.
Didn't she bring her thing?
Martha, let's get your basket. Come on.
Go get your basket.
I said, where are the crackers?
It might be.
Come on. Let's go get your basket.
The other end, Bob, I think it's open.
Oh, is that Martha's basket? Oh, pretty. Oh. Yes. Martha. Okay, bring the basket. Martha, let's bring the basket.